Oh, what is a signer is and how to use one. So a signer basically acts as you, right? So rather than, let me explain it. So like, let's say drop shipping, right? So drop shipping, I've done a lot of money in just like typical Shopify drop shipping and also run up stores and stuff like this and done some little drop shipping deals and a bunch of things, right? So when you run up a lot of money with drop shipping, often you're going to run into payment processor bans. So like bans from PayPal, bans from Shopify, things like this. And when you do that, you don't want to have things in your name because then people can associate it to your name. Just like me, right? So when I first started talking about Etsy dropshipping, I didn't want anything in my name, right? I don't want anything in my name. Just purely like, I don't want people to know what my stores are. So I changed all my stuff to signers, right? So it doesn't look like it's in my name, but I control it, I run it, I own it, right? They ain't gonna take it from me. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.